here is the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Citrin colour. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be reviewing another pair of Yeezy 350 V2. Yes, another pair. This pair is the Yeezy Citrin 350 V2 and it released 2 days after the Cloud White. I have no idea why Adidas did this, but they did, and in my city at least, they sat for quite a while. I think they sat in stores for about a week. I decided to pick up a pair just to review for you guys, and I actually kind of like the colourway. So you've seen a Yeezy 350 box, I think so many times now in the last 2 years. So we'll just open it up, take a look at the colourway itself. So here is the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Citrin colourway. So this pair was purchased from Size, just in store. I told you they sat for a while, so I just went in one day, decided to pick them up. I think the colourway is pretty nice. It does remind me a bit of a Sesame, but I think it is a nice fall, winter kind of colourway. You could wear it in summer as well. However, the Cloud White is more of a summer shoe. I don't really know why they released it this late on, but this one I can see why they did that. It has a gum sole, however, it's not a true gum. It's more of a pinky, translucent kind of gum sole. Once again, they've removed the pull tab on the heel. I have no idea why they've done this again. The stripe along the side here is a translucent, but also has a kind of yellow tint to it. That's something to see. They changed the upper pattern on the top, so it has that static print again, but just on the outside of the stitching and above the stripe, they have included yellow kind of prime knit to the shoe. So I would say it's a mix between the Antilia, I think I'm saying that correctly, and the Lundmark. I think this is a mix between the two of them. I think it's closer to those two than it is to the Sesame. However, in my opinion, it's quite a nice colourway. I actually prefer it over both the Lundmark and the Antilia. I think this was a nicer colourway, but I just don't know why they're releasing them all at once. I will now just give you an on-foot look at this sneaker, just so you can check it out. This was just an incredibly short review, just because you've seen so many Yeezys being released over the last couple of months. I think it's just getting repetitive what I'm saying. It's just a new colourway, there's nothing else different about the shoe really. If you like this shoe, I don't think it's very hard to pick up. Even the resale value, I don't think that it even exists. So you can pick it up on StockX, Go, or anything like that for pretty much retail. Especially if you live in America, it's pretty cheap out there. I would say if you have the Sesame or the Lundmarks, don't bother picking this up. If you don't, it's a lovely colourway. You can pick it up, it's good for the fall autumn kind of time. It does have the static print, like I said. However, the underlying prime knit stitching is in a kind of light green colourway. And then the upper is almost a stone tanned colourway. And then on the outer side above the stripe, the prime knit is of a yellow, and the underlying stitching is that green once again. The laces match the stone coloured prime knit. The outsole is an almost yellow, dirty white kind of colour. Pretty hard to explain. And like I said before, the sole of it is a pinky tanned gum sole. I'd say it's more pink than it is tan, to be fair. Once again, obviously the updated boost. You can't really go wrong with boost. Insole matches the same as the upper prime knit. And then the text across the bottom is in a lime colour, which matches the transparent stripe on the side. So I'll now just give you some B-roll of the sneaker, and that'll be it for the review. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's just a really short one because there's pretty much nothing more you can say on a 350, which is pretty much the same as every single other pair. So I hope Adidas brings out the 350 V3 soon, just to give it something else to talk about. I think they'll continue with the 350 V2 for a while, just because it's such a stable shoe. stay tuned to the Instagram and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It really does help it grow, helps me get some sneakers in as well. So thank you very much for that. Let me know down below if you copped the Citrin 350 V2, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.